Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to take notes on the side while viewing something else in the Notability app. Let's get started. First, open the Notability app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. If you haven't added your material yet, tap the plus icon at the top right. Choose a file from Files, Photos or Google Drive. Once it opens in Notability, you can scroll through it just like a digital notebook. Now here is the coolest part. To take notes beside the content, just tap the pencil icon or text tool and start writing or type next to the document. First open the existing document, just tap here and you can write anything you want in the margin area or any blank space. You can also zoom in and write smaller notes using two fingers to pinch and move. If there isn't enough space, use the handwriting tool to move or shrink the content and make space for your notes. While iPhone doesn't have true split screen like iPad, in Notability you can add extra pages to one side or write inline comment beside content, and that's it. Now you know how to take notes on the side in Notability app from your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.